This is my Blackstone griddle. We have had it for years. We absolutely love it. Let me tell you why. We have had this Blackstone grill for years. We love it. It comes with a case that covers the top of it to protect it from the weather. There is a spot to insert a propane tank with a little shelf right over top that you can store your items, and then a shelf below. It is super easy to clean. We just use some vegetable oil and heat it up. We use this for so many different kinds of dishes. We've done salmon, we've done burgers, we've even done some breakfast dishes. When we cook, we usually just use some oil and some butter, and it produces a really nice even temperature cook across all the different things that we've used. This is the 28-inch version. If I was cooking for a larger party, I would like to have a bigger size, but for my small family, this is perfect. We use it all the time. It has a really great little catch-all tray at the back. We have a little tin foil that we pop back in there to make it easy to clean, and cleanup is a breeze. Delicious! Dinner is served. Time to eat.